Welcome guys, this is KOK Gift Baskets and More, bringing to you some gift concepts for Valentine's Day. In this one guys, I'm using a plush teddy bear, and I have the Sparkling Berries lotion and body wash. I also added a foam rose and a little flower arrangement, and this is the back. Alright, let me get the other concepts. The next one we have here has some pajamas, satin short set pajamas. So I have my plush bear. I have the Scent Happy Coconut Coast body wash and fragrance mist. I have a loofah. I also have a pair of Charter Club house shoes in the back. I added some white flowers just to add a little bit more color to the concept, and also a little heart balloon here. All right, let's get the next one. Okay guys, this one here, and the only reason I put tape, which I normally don't do, is because this is a glass and I don't want it to break. Normally I would use fishing wire, but I don't want to use it because this is silicone. I don't want the fishing wire to tear through the silicone. So that's why I did not use my fishing wire for this concept. I'm going to protect that glass. So I have my pretty little smiling face little glass I got from Dollar General. I have the strawberries and cream lotion and mist. I have a nice little yellow rose there in front of my bear. I have the Pop Shelf lip balm set. I also have some yellow and pink flowers here. I'll just give you a little turn here. I have a little cardboard in the back just as support for the bear. My next one here. This one is the satin short set pajamas. I have the Spa Luxury Vanilla Body Mist and Body Wash. Have this orange loofah. Have perfume. The double set of lip balm. Have a little metallic rose here. Have a pair of slipper socks in the back. And that's it for this concept. This one I used the box. I didn't like the design. This is one of the penny boxes from Dollar General, so I wrapped it with my Valentine paper. So in this one, guys, I used the pink bear. I have the Body Fantasies Japanese Cherry Blossom mist and lotion. I also added in some artificial flowers. I have a rose here, baby breaths, and some other flowers. I have my beautiful heart necklace. And I use my acrylic dowel for this concept, holding the bear up pretty good. Okay. Move these over some. Okay, so my last concept, guys, is this one. We have my plush bear. I also have another one of my little silicone smiley face glasses. Have a little metallic rose there. Have the strawberries and cream body mist and lotion. Have the two-piece lip balm set. Also have one of the penny Dollar General flowers. And guys, for this little concept here with the balloon, I added the flowers and baby breaths to the balloon stick and added a little bow there. And decorated a little bit of the backer here, since it was extending past the bear. I just added some little felt hearts to it. So this is it for this concept, guys. All right, guys, and one last thing I want to share with you guys. When you all make your baskets and you are taking the mist and lotion out of the box, those of you that got these nice sets, these little two-piece sets from Five Below, when you take it out the box, save the box, okay? Because what I did was wrap this box here with some Valentine paper. And this is just a little concept here with a little two-piece set of the Five Below lotion and the some perfume that I got from Shein. I added a little heart-shaped metallic balloon and little foam rose. And you can put this in a small little cello bag. And this makes for a nice little container for your little small concepts. So remember, guys, to reuse and repurpose your packaging. It goes a long way. It saves you some money in the end. So guys, this is all I have for today. I will be coming back with some more gift concepts this week. I hope you guys got some tips that you can use in your designs, and maybe find some items that you may want to add to your inventory. All right, guys, please like, share, comment, and subscribe.